What is up, beautiful bastards? This is Yashatisha, and today is 6th September 2018, and we are unboxing the Mac Mini. And you must be thinking, where a Mac Mini in 2018? Like, this is a 2014 model. Like, why? Like, that is something I can't explain in this video, but what I can explain you is what comes in the box. So let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see on the front there is MacMini written, the logo of a photo of it. On the right hand side there is the Apple logo and nothing else. On the back is another photo of it, and also it is detailed that this is the power connector, gigabit Ethernet, HDMI, 2 Thunderbolt 2, 4 USB 3 audio out, audio in, and a SDXC card slot. Other than that, on the right hand side is again nothing but the Apple logo. On the top is a lot of what is this? A lot of information about manufactured by Apple in Cupertino, imported by blah blah blah. Nothing interesting. On the bottom is the specs. I'll read out the specs for you. So this is the 2.6 gigahertz dual core model. It has 8 gigs of RAM, 1 TB hard disk, Irish Pro graphics, 2 Thunderbolt 2 ports, HDMI, gigabit Ethernet, all the good stuff. It matches some Energy Star ratings so that you know you're not losing a lot of energy while using this puppy, but you won't be anyways. So without any further ado, let's use my knife finally, not to cut myself but to cut the box. So oops, I'll be careful this time. I just chiseled my nail again. Great. I should probably take an insurance for myself every time I buy a new Mac or every time I use this. The typical plastic that Apple has on all its packaging. How do I take this out? Okay, so from the side, wow, and there is the Mac Mini in all of its beautiful silvery aluminium glory. This is pretty heavy for the size. And for every Apple fanboy out there, you know the smell of every new Apple product. It's there. This smell, dang. We'll also dig deep into the box. As you can see, there is the power cord. This is a standard Indian 2-pin to this side, and oh, that's fairly long. That's longer than I actually need. Like that is a very long cable. Appreciated. Thank you, Apple. I think Apple is the only company that puts big enough power cords. The other side, regular 2-prong, nothing too special. Here is your normal literature, I guess. This is reads designed by Apple in California, and we open it up. It reads Mac Mini. This is the quick start guide. Who needs that with a Mac? Come on. Mac info. Who needs that? This is what I definitely need. These are the Apple stickers. Definitely, I'm just showing off being the Apple sheep right now. It's pretty much a whole lot of nothing else in the box. So I guess that's it. That is the very basic unboxing. Let's get back to the Mac Mini for now. So this thing, it is perfectly wrapped in this beautiful transparent plastic casing, and we'll take that off. Wait for it. That sound that every Apple sheep definitely gets turned on a lot by. Beautiful silver finish on the top. Plastic RF transparent Apple logo. This is what allows your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to work, by the way. A nice rubbery bottom case that reads Mac Mini. And on the back, as Apple told us, there's a power button, the power port, gigabit Ethernet, HDMI, 2 Thunderbolt 2 ports, 3 USB 3.0, an SDXC card, and audio in, audio out, and a lot of exhaust for the hot gases to come out, hot air to come out. Whenever you're doing all those rendering with all those 2 powerful cores inside, pun intended. There's a lot of sarcasm there. Please don't kill me in the comments below saying you think a Mac Mini is powerful, except I know it isn't. So I guess guys, one very important thing of a Mac Mini that I forgot, the IR receiver for everyone who wants to use this as the HTPC connect to their TVs. That is still there. So that's that, guys. This was the perfect unboxing of a Mac Mini with a cup of iced Americano, which is almost empty now. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.